Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to give you a walkthrough on this beautiful 2025 Mastercraft XT25 that just landed at our location. Beautiful boat, guys. It's got the full stone hull side color, accompanied by this beautiful black mica flake accent stripe. Taking a look at the transom, you'll see that this boat has a full fiberglass transom on it with the submersible swim ladder or swim step on the back. Excellent for boarding while you're wake surfing and hanging out. Guys, let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard. Beautiful boat here. You'll see it's got the full jet black upholstery throughout. It's got the cool feel on all three layers. This upholstery will not get hot. Plenty of cup holders up in the bow, as you see. As you're walking back, you'll see that this does have the billeted walk-through air door. Great option. Also, we've got the convertible seat here in the back that flips out. The boat also has heaters. It's got the Decadence flooring. Most importantly is the new helm for 25. You'll see it's got the standard 12-inch screen. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a nice day.